Hi guys, already we discussed about slicers and timelines in the previous sessions completely. Now we'll create the slicers and timelines for the pivot charts. But this time we'll create slicers and timelines. But if you are doing any changes, automatically all the charts are going to update. Like if you're doing any changes or any filters in the slicers or timelines, simultaneously automatically all the charts are going to update. So what is slicer? Just selecting the required data. It's like a filter only, same like a timeline also we discussed about completely, and we'll see how to create the slicers for the pivot charts and how to apply and how to connect that slicers and timelines to all pivot charts. First, select any one chart. For example, I'm selecting this column chart. Then go to the analyze, go to the insert slicer. So this time we'll select any one column. Like I'm selecting rating. Okay, see, only rating I have selected here. See, just example, I'm selecting G. Already G and PG and all these selected. Select G. Means it was only G was selected. Next, like PG. Press Ctrl and you can select multiple also. So you can observe here only that single column chart is going to update, not other remaining charts. For example, just select this PG, see, or else G, or else GP, or any data. See, here only this column chart is going to update, not other remaining charts. Then what we'll do? So select this slicer. We'll connect this slicer to with all the pivot charts. Now see here, when I'm selecting this data, we'll get analyze design format. But this time just I'm selecting only this one, only this slicer part. We'll get options tab, extra options tab in this. Now go to the options tab, go to the report connections. Look at here. See, there is a dialog box, report connections with the ratings. We selected only titles by genre. See, there are 4 charts, revenue by year, titles by genre, titles by genres and ratings, titles by rating. See, only in sheet 1. In case if there are any charts in other sheets also, will connect with the charts also. Here, we'll select all remaining other charts also. What are the charts we are selecting? Simply just we are connecting the slicers to that charts. Now I'm selecting all the charts. You can say okay. Look at here, automatically all are changing. Select G. See, in this also it was updated automatically, like PG13. See, remaining all other charts are changing along with the column charts, like R, say column chart, donut chart, bar charts, area chart. All charts are going to update immediately. Now just you can select R, PG, PG13. By pressing Ctrl you can select multiple. See, we'll get all. So automatically all charts are updating by using slicers. Now we'll do same thing for timeline also. Select the column chart, go to analyze. Now go to the insert timeline. See, we got this. Only one column, that is a release date. Already we discussed. Timeline is for date and time only, and a slicer is for the data. Select the release date. Okay, look at here. Just will take more width, and by default it was for only that one only. See, for example, go to there, you can select years or else months, whatever you want to see. Select 2016. Only that column chart only updating. So again, if you want to do same thing, go to the options, report connections, again select all the pivot charts, then okay. See here, if you are doing any changes, all are updated. But in the donut chart, there is no date. That's why it is not updated. The charts which are having dates, those charts will update immediately. So like this, we'll take slicers and timelines will connect with the charts, all the charts. Now select this chart, go to analyze. Next, select filter connections so that you can see, you are able to see for this chart what are the slicers and what are the timelines we created. See, here this slicer is rating and this timeline is release date. So you can select the chart, go to the analyze tab, select a filter connection so that you can observe for this chart what are the slicers and what are the timelines we created. For example, select the donut chart. Now go to analyze tab, filter connection. See, rating, release date, because we selected all the charts for all these slicers and timelines. So every chart will show these two, rating, slicer and releasing date, timeline. So like this, just will connect slicers, timelines with all the pivot charts. Whenever if you are doing any changes, any updates in any slicer, automatically all the charts are going to refresh in this sheet along with all other sheet charts in this workbook.